Good morning everyone, it's Friday 22nd May 2020, Year 2 Maths. Today we're coming to the end of this unit of measurement of length and height. So we're going to recap what we have learned so far, and we're also going to be doing a quiz. Pause the video and make sure you have your workbook and a pencil. Today we're not going to have any worksheets, so please write the short date at the top of the page, 22.5.20. Write the LI to recap about measuring lengths and quiz. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. So we're looking at this knowledge organizer, and we've gone through a lot of key vocabulary for length and height. We have measured in centimeters using a ruler. So when we have, for measuring smaller objects, we have used a ruler. For measuring larger objects, we have used either a meter stick or a tape measure. Well, in some cases, some places, they would use a trundle wheel. We have also been comparing height and comparing length. So in this case, we're comparing a height of the giraffe and lion, and it's saying over here the giraffe is taller than the lion and the lion is shorter than the giraffe. We've also got the greater than sign there, so 4 meters is greater than 1 meter. And then when we've been comparing lengths, so saying the pencil is shorter than the pen and the pen is longer than the pencil, and we know this when we look at how long it is in centimeters. And in this case, we've got 7 centimeters is less than 10 centimeters. We had also looked at the equal sign, and when we had been comparing, we had also looked at something that is longer than, shorter than, or same as. When we had been ordering lengths, we had looked at which one was the longest, which one was shortest. So looking at the straws here, you can see that the A is the longest, D is the shortest, and B is longer than C, and C is shorter than A. So comparing and ordering by length as well. We had also looked briefly recapping what we had learned in year 1 using non-standard units. So in this case, we've got a stapler where they've been measuring with paper clips, and we've also got a pencil case there. And we said that the stapler is 4 paper clips and the pencil is 6 paper clips. And comparing the two, we said the stapler is shorter than the pencil case. Let's remind ourselves, how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? That's right, 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. How tall is the object? Now we had looked at estimations, and we were using the sentence I think. So in this case, I think it is 30 centimeters tall. Then I had measured it with a ruler, and where I could find the actual measurement, and I could say that it is 28 centimeters tall. Let's remind ourselves, what are the 4 operations? Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And we were using these 4 operations to tackle the word problem that we saw here about bears. And in this case, this was a 2-step word problem because we had to sort out how tall the grey and green bears were, and then we had to find out how much taller was the grey bear than the brown bear. So that was a 2-step word problem. Right. Pause the video, and we're going to be doing a quiz now, so please make sure you have your workbook and a pencil to answer the following questions. It would be ideal if you can do this quiz by yourself. Alright, question number 1. How many paper clips long is the ruler and the tablet? The ruler is Is it shorter or longer than the tablet? Question number 2. What does M stand for? A. Centimeters. B. Millimeters. C. Meters. D. Kilometers. Question number 3. What does cm stand for? A. Centimeters. B. Millimeters. C. Meters. D. Kilometers. Question number 4. The minimum height for a child to go on a ride is 100 centimeters. This is the same as A. 10 meters, B. 1 meter, C. 1 millimeter, or D. 10 millimeters. Question number 5. Which unit of length is the most suitable for measuring the height of a tree? A. mm, B. cm, C. km, D. m. Question number 6. What is the reading on the tape measure in centimeters? A. 71 centimeters, B. 70 centimeters, C. 72 centimeters, D. 70.5 centimeters. Question number 7. Compare the lengths. Now complete the sentence by using the words longer than, shorter than, or same as. Here are the sentences. Question number 8. About how long is the object? So you need to estimate how long the ladybird is by writing a sentence. I think it is. And now you need to write down the actual length. So A, is it 10 centimeters? B, 20 centimeters? C, 13 centimeters? D, 50 centimeters. Question number 9. Use the symbols over here, less than, greater than, or equal to complete the statements. Here are the statements. Finally, question number 10. So here's Leona's playing with her toys. The car is 14 centimeters long. The fire engine is 11 centimeters longer. So how long is the fire engine? So you need to write your answer here. Leona lines them up. What is the total length of the car and the fire engine? You need to write your answer here. And finally, the toy car is double the length of a toy plane. How long is the plane? And you need to write your answer here. That's the end of the quiz. Now what I would like you to do is either get a different color pencil or different color pen to mark your answers. And here are your answers. Right, so this is something extra that you can do. So you can go into Mathletics, you can log into Mathletics and go into Topics and scroll down till you come to this part where it says length, mass, and volume. So once you click on it, you'll come through these topics here. Now obviously we haven't done all the types of measurements here. So you can have a look at measuring length with blocks. How long is that? Measure to the nearest half centimeter. Now that is a challenge. And ordering length in centimeters. So those are the 4 things that you can do. Once you have finished your work, please send your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Thank you. Have a great half term and I'll see you after half term. Bye.